A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark ruling, a federal court has declared President Donald Trump's executive order targeting the law firm Perkins Coie unconstitutional. U.S. District Judge Beryl A. Howell issued the ruling on Friday in Washington, D.C., stating that the executive order was an overt attempt to suppress and punish certain viewpoints, thereby violating the foundational principles of the American legal system. This significant decision marks the first time a federal court has permanently nullified one of Trump's executive orders aimed at a law firm. Judge Howell's 5-page order unequivocally stated, Executive Order 14230 is unlawful, null and void in its entirety, and therefore should be disregarded. The ruling comes as a response to Executive Order 14230, which Trump issued on March 6, 2020, under the title Addressing Risks from Perkins Coie LLP. The executive order targeted Perkins Coie due to its representation of Hillary Clinton during the 2016 presidential campaign. It suspended the law firm's security clearances, limited its access to government buildings, and ordered federal agencies to terminate contracts with the firm wherever possible. The order also extended to other law firms that had represented causes unfavorable to Trump or employed individuals with whom he had expressed displeasure. Judge Howell's ruling emphasized that no American president has ever issued executive orders like this one, which directly targeted a law firm for adverse actions to be executed by all executive branch agencies. She drew a parallel to Shakespeare's famous phrase, stating that Trump's order offered a new twist, "Let's kill the lawyers I don't like." This ruling highlights the critical importance of protecting legal representation in a democratic society. Critics of Trump's actions pointed out that such orders raise significant constitutional concerns, particularly regarding the First Amendment, which protects individuals and entities from government retaliation for their free speech. The Fifth and Sixth Amendments further safeguard the right to due process and the right to legal counsel. Perkins Coie argued that its lawyers were essential in interacting with the federal government on behalf of their clients, and the executive order's restrictions had already begun to deter clients from working with the firm. In a show of solidarity, over 500 law firms signed an amicus brief in support of Perkins Coie, arguing that Trump's actions posed a threat to the survival of law firms and would instill fear among potential clients. Judge Howell validated these concerns, acknowledging that the law firm had demonstrated monetary harm sufficient to establish irreparable harm. In her comprehensive 102-page ruling, she characterized the executive order as an unprecedented attack on the rule of law and warned that it could have a chilling effect on the legal profession. She stated, eliminating lawyers as the guardians of the rule of law removes a major impediment to the path to more power. The ruling also mandated that the Trump administration cease any investigations of Perkins Coie, restore any rescinded services, and allow the firm to resume its ordinary course of business with the federal government. Following the issuance of the executive order, several high-profile law firms opted to negotiate with the White House to avoid punitive measures. Firms such as Paul Weiss, Skadden, Milbank, and Wilkie Farr and Gallagher agreed to provide millions in pro bono legal services in exchange for favorable treatment. Judge Howell's ruling serves as a crucial reminder that the government must respond to dissenting or unpopular speech or ideas with tolerance, not coercion. The Constitution, she asserted, requires such an approach to safeguard the principles of democracy and protect the rights of all individuals and entities to seek legal representation without fear of retaliation. As the Trump administration prepares to appeal this ruling, the implications of this case will likely resonate across the legal community and beyond, reinforcing the importance of upholding constitutional rights and the rule of law in the face of political opposition. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.